Hi, I'm Kedarnath. Welcome to my channel Make Mathematics Simple. So in this video I'm going to explain how to find square root of a perfect square number immediately. So I'm going to give one logic. Using that logic, hardly it will take 5 seconds to get the square root of that number. So for that sake, you have to learn from 1 square to 20 square at least. Like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9 and so on. 19 square is 361, 20 square is 400. And also I gave then one shortcut formula how to find a square of any number. Already I did that video also. Once you go through that video also, how to find square of any number just in 5 seconds. Okay, so first observe 1 square to 10 square. So what is the unit digit in 1 square? 1. In 2 square 4. In 3 square 9. In 4 square 6. In 5 square 5. 6 square 6. 7 square 9. 8 square 4. 9 square 1. And 10 square 0. Obviously, the unit digit in 11 square is same as the unit digit in 1 square. The unit digit in 19 square is same as the unit digit in 9 square. The unit digit in 48 square is same as the unit digit in 8 square. And also if you observe, the unit digit in 1 square and the unit digit in 9 square, both are same, 1 and 1. The unit digit in 1 square and 9 square is same, which is equal to what? 1. And the unit digit in 2 square and the unit digit in 8 square is also same, which is 4. The unit digit in 3 square and the unit digit in 7 square is same, which is what? 9. And the unit digit in 4 square and the unit digit in 6 square is same, which is 6. So you have to remember this table also. Okay. The unit digit in 1 and 9 is 1. The unit digit in 2 and 8 is 4. The unit digit in you have to remember this table also. The unit digit in 1 square and 9 square is 1. The unit digit in 2 square as well as 8 square is also 4. The unit digit in 3 square and 7 square is 9. The unit digit in 4 square as well as 6 square is 6. And the unit digit in 5 square is 5. The unit digit in 0 square is 0. So that is not required to remember. Okay. Now, so consider one perfect square. And before that, I want to give some more things. See here. Here, what we are getting unit digits in a perfect square, either 1, 4, 9, 6 or 5 or 0. Then what about 2, 3, 7 and 8? That means if you take any number, if it's a unit digit or last digit is one of these, then it is not at all a perfect square. Suppose if I take a big number, this big number, so is it a perfect square? How will you come to know? Is it a perfect square or not? So what is its last digit? 3. So it is not a perfect square. Okay? In a perfect square, if you take any perfect square, its unit digit should not be either 2 or 3 or 7 or 8. If it is end with either 2 or 3 or 7 or 8, it cannot be a perfect square. Then in any perfect square, if you take any perfect square, its unit digit should be either 0 or 5 or 1 or 4 or 9 or 6. But its converse not true. That means if you take a number, if its last digit is either 9 or 6 or 4 or 1 or 0 or 5, it is need not be a perfect square. For example, if you consider 39, what is its last digit? 9. But it is not a perfect square. But if you take any perfect square, its unit digit should be either 0 or 5 or 1 or 4 or 9 or 6. But if you take any number, if last digit is one of these, that is need not be a perfect square. And also one more thing, if any number, its last digit will be either 2, 3 or 7 or 8, then it cannot be not at all a perfect square. Okay, understood? So look at the one simple example, square root of 841. Square root of 841. So in this given number, what is the last digit? 1. What is the last digit? 1. Automatically in the answer, the last digit should be either 1 or 9. Because if you take any number whose last digit is either 1 or 9, in its square, what will be the last digit? 1. Okay. So here we have to find 841, square root of 841. In the given number, what is the last digit? 1. So in the answer, last digit should be either 1 or 9. Because if you take any number whose last digit is either 1 or 9, in its square, what will be the last digit? 1. Correct? So by looking this unit digit, what we can conclude in the answer, the last digit should be either 1 or 9. Okay? In the answer, last digit should be what? Either 1 or 9. Okay? Now, next step 2. So remove. So these two numbers just cancel. Those two numbers just you cancel. Okay? Then what is the number left here? 8. What is the perfect square just before 8? So the perfect square just before 8 is 4. The perfect square just before 8 is 4. What is its square root? 2. So the answer will be either 21 or 29. The answer for this question, square root of 841, will be either 21 or 29. So 21 or 29. So among these two, which is correct, which is wrong? How to identify? So for that, here what we got answer? 2. What is the number after 2? 3. Correct? So 2 into 3 is how much? 6. Now here whatever we have this number 8 is more than this product or less than this product? More than this product. Then we have to take among these two whichever the greater number, that number we have to take. Suppose whatever this number left, if it is smaller than this product, then among these two numbers we have to take smaller number. Okay? Here the number left is what? 8. This 8 is more than this product. Then we have to take among these two whichever the greater, that number. Which is greater? 29. So thus square root of 841 will be 29. Oh. So next look at the next problem, square root of 1156. So in the given number, what is the last digit? 6. Okay. Then automatically in the answer, the last digit should be either 4 or 6. Correct? Because if you take any number whose digit is either 4 or 6, in its square, the last digit will be what? 6. Okay. So by looking this number, as the last digit is 6, then what are the choices we have? 4 or 6. Okay. So that means in the answer, the last digit should be either 4 or 6. Step 1 over. Next, step 2. So cancel last two numbers. Okay. Then what is the number left here? 11. Now tell me what is the number, what is the perfect square before 11? 9. And what is its square root? 3. Okay. So here what is the number left? 11. What is the perfect square just before 11? 9. And what is the square root of 9? 3. So thus the answer will be either 34 or 36. 34 or 36. Now you tell me, Nana, what is the number after 3? 4. So 3 into 4, what you are getting? 12. Now tell me, Nana, whether this number, whatever the left, this number is more than this product or less than this product? Less than this product. Then among these two, whichever the smaller, that number we have to take. So among these two, which is the smaller, 34 or 36? 34. So thus, square root of 1156 is equal to what? 34. Okay. So look at the next number, square root of 71764. Okay. So in the given number, what is the last digit? 4. Okay. Then in the unit digit, so then the last digit in the answer. The last digit in the answer will be what? Either 2 or 8. Either 2 or 8. So cancel these two numbers. Last two numbers cancel. Last two numbers. Then what is the number left? 17. Now tell me, what is the perfect square just before 17? 16. Correct? Okay. What is the square root of 16? 4. So write 4 here. So the answer will be what? Either 42 or 48. 42 or 48. Now tell me, what is the number after 4? 5. So 4 into 5 what? 20. Now this number 17, whatever the number left, this 17 is more than 20 or less than 20? Less than 20. Then among these two, which is the smaller, that number we have to take. So among these two, which is the smaller, 42 or 48? 42. So square root of 1764 will be 42. Over. Okay. So next problem, square root of 5329. So what is the last digit in the given number? 9. Then answer will be, the last digit in the answer will be what? Either 3 or 7. So the last digit in the answer will be what? Either 3 or 7. So cancel the last two numbers. Then what is the number left here? 53. So what is the perfect square just before 53? 49. And what is its square root? 7. So the answer will be what? Either 73 or 77. 73 or 77. But what is the number after 7? 8. 7 into 8 is how much? 56. Now this number, whatever the left number, this number is smaller than 56 or more than 56? Smaller than 56. Then among these two, we have to take what? Smaller value or greater value? Smaller value. So what is the smaller value? 73. So thus the answer is what? 73. Over. So look at the one more example. Square root of 10816. So by looking this last digit, what will be the last digit in the answer? Either 4 or 6. Because in the 4 square last digit is 6. In 6 square also last digit is 6. Now cancel these two numbers. Then what is the number left here? 108. 108. What is the perfect square just before 108? 100. What is its square root? 10. What is the perfect square just before 108? 100. What is its square root? 10. So the answer will be what? Either 104, 104 or 106. So now tell me, what is the number after 10? 11. So 10 into 11, what you are getting? 110. Now tell me, Nana, this 108 is more than this product or less than this product? Less than this product. Then we have to take smaller value or greater value? Smaller value. So thus the answer is what? 104. Oh.